Good day. I am Joanna Marie Pacheco, and I will be discussing about article critique relative to our topic, creating a marketing strategy that will help a backyard perfume business grow and expand. To start off, let's start off with the overview of the articles. The first article by So Young, Jean, and Jean Poa reviewed the impact of influencer marketing on brand perceptions and the purchasing behavior of consumers. This study finds that consumers develop a sense of trust the brand based from the statements of influencers. While the second article by Harris, J. and Wigginson says that the quality of perfume is usually based on its lasting scent, smoothness, and complexity of scent. And lastly, the third article by Ewa Mikolasik and Alexandra Korska says that product packaging, starting from the bottle design, label, and color, is powerful marketing tool to attract consumers and to enhance brand perception. For the significance of research studies, first, topics are relative and based on current trend. Next, the articles provide ideas to start up perfume entrepreneur on how they can attract and influence consumers by their products. And lastly, I chose those articles because they are reliable and can be applied in the real world business setting. Review of related literature. To start off with the strengths of the article by So Young Jin and Jin Hua. Number one, emphasize the testimonials from consumers who first try the products a big influence in the purchasing decisions of consumers. Second, discuss the impact of influencer marketing in the brand perception of a certain product. Third, the research suggests that positive interactions with perfume influencers can lead to favorable brand attitudes and increased purchase intention. While the strengths on the article of Harris J. and Wiggins M. explained that business owners can leverage on the perfume brand's quality, specifically on the complexity of scent wherein perfume users may choose from, long-lasting scent and blend quality. It also discussed that purchasing behavior of consumers are influenced by the scent smoothness, longevity, and perfume's scent complexity. While the strengths of the article by Ewa Mikolasik and Alexandra Gorska is that the article discussed that brand packaging is considered as a marketing tool and it plays a crucial role in shaping consumer satisfaction and brand perception. It also explained that brand packaging is important because it is the first point of contact between the product and the consumer. When we go to the let's now go to the weaknesses of the article by So Young Jin and Jin Hua. The research only focused on two platforms like IG or Instagram and YouTube. They may not translate directly to influencer marketing on the platforms like TikTok or Facebook. Second, the study might only be focused on social media users or youth wherein the result may be lacking of input from the generations, age group, and those who are less digitally engaged. The weakness on the article of Harris J. and Wiggins M. is that the research is more on theoretical data that may be lacking of input from real consumers or perfume users. There is no clear information as to how scent quality are being evaluated. While the weaknesses of the article by Iwa Nikolaksik and Alexandra Gorska is that it only focuses on a short-term brand loyalty. Packaging may influence initial attraction, but it doesn't always build long-term brand loyalty. Attractive packaging may be partnered with good quality and reasonable product pricing in order for the consumers to repeatedly purchase the product. Analysis and conclusion. Opportunities for future research. First, extend survey to other generation. Conduct surveys from other age group with With this may help researchers to understand how age influences things like purchasing behavior, attitudes as consumer, brand perceptions, or product preferences. Next, explore on conducting real-world product testing. Try to conduct real-world product testing in above of surveys in order for us to know how consumers react naturally when they are using the product. Lastly, identify the factors behind consumers' decision to repurchase a product. Conduct surveys that will clearly identify the factors behind consumers' repeated purchase. Combine studies in brand packaging, pricing, quality, and influencer marketing strategies. With the help of this research, marketers may achieve higher percentage of business growth and expansion. That's all for my article today. Thank you for listening.